morning, everyone. We are back out in the marsh today, second weekend of the Utah waterfowl season. Sun's coming up behind me over the mountains, getting ready to go. So anyways, 3 shooters today. We have a similar decoy spread to what we've been running so far this year. Keep those spinners going while the ducks are dumb to them. They'll get dropped out of the spread shortly. Anyways, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Season goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. Need your help to make it, so push that subscribe button. Let's get going. I think I destroyed that duck. Single left. Oh, there goes a pair. I didn't see him. Oh shit. I couldn't see him very well once he got up.
Encounter.
Right here. Oh, by the time I got up on it, if I would have hit it, it would have blown it to smithereens and it would have been in the cattails. Single right.
There's 2 of them?
Yeah. Derek took the right one, I took the left one. Sure wish I had that 10-mile-an-hour wind that they kept talking to us about there.
Be nice. You're right.
They're just kind of buzzing by.
Single coming in.
I don't think the geese are gonna do it. Take the duck. Nice greenhead. I don't know. Maybe we should get those dead ducks out of there. There's been something. All right. My first one this morning was an ugly shoveler. All right. Second one, a little cinnamon teal. I'm gonna can his ass. One more pass. Pop him. I'll go get him.
From the right.
Whole group of them. God, they're flaring on something.
Yeah. What don't they like?
Let's pull all the mojos in. If this doesn't help, we'll throw jerk rigs. All right, quick little morning update. Now that we're done with the first little volley of shooting there, we got 5 so far. I've got 3. Derek's got 2. And then, anyways, everything was flaring out really bad, so we went out and pulled all the spinners. So hopefully that'll help. And there's one coming right here. So hold on. done working that duck. Yep. Single. Bust him, Derek. Good shot. Look at the feathers. Look at the feathers. It's snowing out in the pocket. Shit. I can't hit nothing.
Is that mine?
I don't know. Sure, why not?
What's that?
Sure, why not? It's all yours.
Pintails?
I don't think so. Good shot though. Get him.
All right, one. Hit the water faster than what I expected.
Yeah, I thought they were gonna coast up in that pocket a little more, and they just sat right down.
It just dropped like a rock. I'm like, what? I guess I smoked on the water. Those all pinned?
I don't know.
Right here in front.
What are they? What are they? They're pins. Oh, nice. I was like, thought you were shooting at this one. Okay, well that's gonna do it for today. It got sunny. Ducks were really shy and skittish after last weekend's opener. Anyways, a lot of what we saw this flying late morning was pintails, and we each had our one. So we each got those and had to just sit and watch the show. But we're gonna head home, get some lunch, and do it again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one.